How's your day? I hope it's pleasant. Hi my loves and hi my peasants. You're watching Learn from the King. So my senior portrait pictures are on this Friday, and because of that I had to take out my dreads. Hold up sis. You were not forced to take your dreads out. Let's just make it clear that I liberally wanted to take out my dreads. I'm not taking out my dreads because the school said so. It's just I feel like the hairstyle was getting dusty and I want to look good for my portrait. I almost had my school on Fox 5. This ain't no hashtag if slavery was a choice. So I already took out one because I forgot I was making this video, so please disregard the weird antenna in the back of my head. But yeah, I'm still gonna keep it pushing for you guys. Also, please disregard the fact that they're looking a little bit dusty because I have done this like over a couple weeks now and my hair grows really fast, so you know my roots are looking like Kunta Kinte's, but you know what? I'm gonna survive.
So we gotta talk about today's outfit. You guys love to hear about my outfits. Alright, so this sports bra was given to me by a lovely African queen on my track team that goes by the name of Mariama. Give her a round of applause. So she let me borrow this sports bra because in the weight room it gets spicy. It's like no, but it gets really hot in the weight room. So she let me borrow it and I forgot about the friggin' bra up until the last week of school, and I was like,
I got your sports bra, sis. I'm bringing your sports bra, sis.
and she was just like, it's plenty where that came from. It's like, no, she didn't say that. But she was like, I have a whole bunch of them. You can just have it. And I was just like, oh, boy! This sports bra is from Dansky, and the leggings are from Fashion Nova. Thank you again, Mariama. I really appreciate you.
So as you can see, I have faux locks, fox locks, however you say it, and it's time for me to take them out or whatever because I had them in for a long time, but I put these in myself. So if you want to see a video on that, let me know, and I will record it the next time that I install my fox locks, my faux locks. Anyways, I'm going to show you some hairstyles that you can do on faux locks, or if you have real dreads, you can do it on your dreads too. If you have sister locks, just any type of lock hairstyle, this is a good video for you. I saw a YouTube video of this woman telling people how to do faux locks hairstyles, and the hairstyles were very ghetto. So these are easy and classy faux locks hairstyles because I just feel like we gotta keep it classy 2018 and every year after that. And I just didn't like the way that hers was, so I decided to make my own and bless the internet and bless you all. So let's get right into it.
The first hairstyle is the one that I'm already wearing. It's pretty simple. Split your hair down the front of the middle of your head. It's called a middle part, and boom. Second hairstyle is flipping all of your hair over your head. Basically just flip all of your hair over your head, and some can go behind as well. I really like this and I think that it's very different. The next hairstyle is a side part. So what you're gonna do is just like the middle part, but you part your hair on the side instead of down the center. Part that Red Sea, girl. Part that Red Sea. By the way, I use my phone to look at myself to make sure I like the hairstyle. This next hairstyle is a high ponytail. You're gonna need a rubber band for this. Basically, you're gonna take a section of your hair in the front and put it into a ponytail, and take the ponytail and put that behind your head. I think this is a very girly hairstyle, so if you're girly and you have dreads or locks, this is a cute hairstyle for you. Alternative to this is splitting it in two. The next hairstyle is a circle bun and half up, half down. So you're going to twist your hair around and around until you get a donut bun. I recommend securing it with another rubber band after you make the bun, but I was in a rush because I had to take my dreads out for my portrait, so I didn't really elaborate on that, but I'm showing you the basic concepts. This next hairstyle is pretty similar. You're wrapping your hair around and around to make a top knot bun. But you're not wrapping it flat like you did with the donut bun. Let me make that clear. Otherwise it won't come out top knot. The next hairstyle reminds me of Shanae's hair, but it can be worn classy with the right outfit. The next hairstyle is kind of like the middle part, but you're going to take two sections of your hair and tie them together to form a ponytail on the back of your head. And you also don't have to do this hairstyle middle part. You could also do it side part too. I like this hairstyle a lot. It gives a lot of bohemian vibes. I think this would be cute with some flared pants and a matching top. The next hairstyle is basically the same one as before, but with a bun, and that gives kind of a different look. It looks more intellectual, you know. This next hairstyle is pretty simple. You're just making a middle part low ponytail, and I think that this is very classy. Serving looks, sis. This next hairstyle is a circle bun. You're just gonna keep twisting your hair around and around.
In the kitchen, we're twisting like a stir fry.
Then you should have a steering wheel on the back of your head. Girl, you better ask him if you wanna go and take a ride with me. Three-wheeling in the faux with the goldies. Oh my, must I live this way? Hey, must be the money. This next hairstyle is pretty similar to that first look, but you're taking out a few pieces of hair. You could take out as much or as little hair as you wanted. I didn't like the extra hair, so I decided to put it back up because it wasn't feeling right. I was feeling like I got the bag and fumbled it, so I just put that back up, and I actually like that. This hairstyle looks like I'm very smart if I pop on some glasses. Yes, sis, looking like a scholar. These next few hairstyles are going to look a little bit dusty because, girl, I was running out of time. I was like Jasmine from Aladdin and the sand was running out, okay? So, this one was supposed to be a high ponytail, but as you can see, I did not do this correctly. But if you do your high ponytail tighter, then it will look really nice. And if you don't do it as far up on your forehead, then both of those hairstyles I just did would be really, really cute. Okay, one more nightmare hairstyle. So this is a high bun. I like the way that the bun came out, but please, if you do this, don't do your bun so forward on your forehead because I look like one of those people that carry stuff on their head. But overall, the bun was really cute. This next hairstyle, split your hair in two and take a section of the hair and wrap it around the other piece of hair, and then take that the leftover section of hair and wrap that around. So you're basically making two buns, and this makes a top knot bun. Again, do that a little bit pushed back, and that will be so cute. For this next hairstyle, you're going to want to split your hair in half, and you're going to take one of the sections and you're going to put it in a ponytail. With all of these hairstyles, I would recommend that you secure everything properly. I didn't secure them because I was trying to move faster through the video, but make sure that you double up the rubber band like you see I'm doing here, or probably even triple it around each section that you do. So this one is kind of like Harley Quinn's hairstyle, but because it's with dreads, would this be like Bob Marley Quinn? I don't know. But I love it, sis. The next hairstyle is just making two space buns. So you're going to do the first steps of the Bob Marley Quinn hairstyle, and then you're going to make two buns. Pretty simple. The next hairstyle is just taking out a few pieces from the hair. I recommend just sticking to 2 in the front.
Oh my gosh. 18 out of 21 of these hairstyles came out so cute, and I choose to record when my hair looks dusty.
The final hairstyle is kind of like how Kim Kardashian does the slick back hair, but of course you can't really like slick it back if you want
Slick back.
but it's just putting all of your hair all the way back. And I like this one too, it's very simple.
Those are my faux locks hairstyles that I came up with for you guys. They're really easy to do, anyone can do them, and they're really classy. As I said before, I saw a YouTuber do some faux locks hairstyles. I didn't really like them. Sis was trying to have you looking like a dinosaur. So, you know how to come and save the day. I always have your back. I will not have you out here looking like a peasant because you are my loves. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It seems like you always forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So just comment at least so that I know that you're not dead. Bye my loves and bye my peasants.